Okay, for the vanilla extract, you take a few vanilla beans, you cut off the ends, split it down the middle, okay, and cut it in half. And then pry it open a little. Okay, so you have them like this. And all your beans are inside. Take a jelly jar. Don't forget to label. Okay, drop it in. You're gonna do, I think I did about 4. Split down the middle. Cut in half. Pry open. And drop it in your jar. Okay, 2 more to go. Okay, 1 more. Then what you're gonna do is get some vodka. It doesn't have to be expensive vodka. It can be cheap. Okay. Split it in half. Okay, get you some vodka. And you're gonna fill it up right before where the lid goes. And put your top on. Tight. Shake it. Okay, then you're gonna let this sit for 6 months. I keep it in my cabinet, so every day when I'm going in to get my spices, I see it. And you need to shake it for probably like a week and a half. And then afterwards, I put it in my pantry. You need it where it's dark, and just let it sit in there. They're back there. It's just gonna show you. Okay, you can do almond. I did this in 19, and it's the exact same thing, just crushed almonds and vodka, and do the same thing. And this is lemon, and all you do is take the lemon peel and add the vodka, shake it up, put it in your dark area. And I know I had, oh, that's another vanilla. Now I made this 2 years ago. and it will last. With the coffee extract, all you do is crush up some coffee beans and do the exact same thing, and then before you start using it, just strain it and just keep everything in a dark place, and you'll have the best extract ever. Well, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out. I'll see you when the pecan pie is done.